Okay, so I did something for drivability today. This is gonna be huge. This car was not enjoyable to drive the last couple of weeks. The reason being was the throttle cam. Actually, this is another one. This bronze looking piece here I put on here. This is off of something very similar to maybe an RD1. If you're shopping for these throttle cams, just go to the wrecker, find some pulleys that are not fully linear, even hard to see there. So if you check these ones out, this is the one I started with, a full linear circle, even all the way around. So when you go from a 54 mil throttle body to a 74 mil throttle body, when you step on the gas on this one, just a little bit of a crack would be pretty much equal to half throttle, going from a 54 to a 74 mil throttle body. So what you want is a slower opening, and how you achieve that is with one of these other pulleys. If you look at the two, the one on the right, it's longer on the bottom, so this is going to be much slower opening. And this here, the radius, it gets tighter even here because the total amount of travel on both these pulleys has to be equal. Otherwise, you won't get full throttle. That's like the BMS racing is very, very large. You're only getting 3/4 throttle, no wide open. So the one that's on the car right now, instead of coming to here, it comes to about down here. It's a huge, huge difference in the beginning of throttle opening. And then when you get to the top here, instead of being here, it's in about maybe 4 millimeters. So the one on the car now is way more drivable in traffic. You seem like way less of an a-hole. Just releasing the clutch, letting the gas out. You don't have spinning tires. You're just not revving it up. It's way better for drivability. So I'm gonna go put some miles on this now, but just around the block with the dog walking neighbors. I didn't get as many looks as normal, but it's still bad. I gotta wash this thing. So there's something about throttle cams, kind of similar to what you do in your motorbike, how you have it a normal opening and then you add a lot of material to the throttle tube to get wide open throttle fast. This is kind of the opposite because this is on the motor side, not on the control side. But it took me a couple minutes to get my head around it. But yeah, you want it opening slower in the beginning with a big circle, and then the only reason why you go small circle in the end is because you have to have the same amount of total travel. So there you go. One of these questions that you can Google and you won't find much of any info on the internet or on YouTube, but here it is right here because I'm trying to make things work, and it works 100%. All right, any questions, post below or message me. Maybe just post in the video, it's way easier. All right, thanks for watching. Hope somebody learned something. I did, working my way through it, but as always, lots of fun learning. Thanks for watching. Peace out.